Where are you?
Okay, it's all live. All you gotta do is twist the throttle and go.
What are you calling open? Over here?
Yeah, this is a little bit open. This is about as open as you can find in Brooklyn.
Oh man, you know what? This is the first time I sat on it.
Kickstand up.
This does feel cushy, man.
Right.
God damn.
That's why I want those shocks for this thing.
Wow, this feels like you're fucking floating, bro.
Okay.
I got cut off twice, man.
Yeah.
As soon as you went, a car came and it cut right in front of me. I had to stop, man.
Yeah. I ride like an asshole, so I ride like a lunatic.
You... Nah, I wouldn't have made it. He would hit the shit out of me. All right, you can hold up. Hey.
When they were talking about Calvert yesterday, this is the spot they were talking about right here. And this is our charging spot. We used to have two, but one of them got blown up and just stopped working.
Hey, I had enough demo.
Yeah?
Yeah, cause
Makes it a
listen,
little
I
soft,
done
right?
got used to the fucking Onyx, and this bike is totally fucking different.
I didn't even realize you had this up here. That's fucking funny.
Yeah, cause yours was hitting my leg. The brakes are a whole
Brakes are
lot.
very soft on this compared to that.
Yeah, and like you gave me a little warm up time on that. I ain't getting warm up time on this motherfucker too fast just to be jumping on it haul ass, and like you say, the brakes are squishy. But yes, I see the fucking torque is amazing, bro.
Take off and power.
It's fucking amazing.
It's all smooth. It's
It
all
feels
very
like a
smooth.
fucking Tesla, you know, a Tesla bike. Seriously.
It takes off so smooth. It's actually a smoother acceleration than that.
Oh hell yeah, hell yeah.
You know?
Man, but I got cut off twice. As soon as you took off the first time, a car turned in on me. Then when I go to take off again, another car they cut right in on that bike lane. When they make the right, they don't even look. And I guess they don't figure somebody's haul assing up the bike lane that fucking fast. Right.
Yeah. Yo, you hungry? You like hot dogs?
Yeah, I eat a hot dog.
Let's go down to Nathan's and grab some hot dogs. I love me some Nathan's hot dogs.
All right.
I don't get to have them nearly as often as I'd like.
Okay. Hey, you know what you gotta do? Do you have that drag race app on your phone?
Draggy?
Drag race.
I tried Draggy. I couldn't figure out how to get it to work. I don't know. I don't have a
Well, see, it's
race
different
app.
for iPhone, but I got the Android. It gives you 0 to 60 times and shit.
Yeah, I gotta get something for that.
Yeah.